The Eiffel Tower, an enduring symbol of Paris and one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, stands as a masterpiece of engineering and innovation. Conceived as the centerpiece of the 1889 Exposition Universelle, an international fair held in Paris to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution, the tower was designed by the French civil engineer Gustave Eiffel and his company. Although Eiffel is credited with the structure, much of the design work was carried out by Maurice Koechlin and Émile Noguier, two senior engineers in his firm, while the decorative arches at the base were added by architect Stephen Sylvester. Construction began in January 1887 and was completed in March 1889, taking just over 2 years and involving the efforts of 300 workers. Made of over 18,000 prefabricated iron parts held together by 2.5 million rivets, the tower was a marvel of precision engineering, with each piece carefully measured and prepared in Eiffel's workshop before being assembled on site. At the time of its completion, it stood at 300 meters, 984 feet, making it the tallest man-made structure in the world until the Chrysler Building in New York surpassed it in 1930. Despite initial protests from artists and intellectuals who criticized its design as unsightly and even monstrous, the Eiffel Tower quickly became a symbol of modernity, progress, and human achievement. Its innovative iron lattice structure provided remarkable stability and resistance to wind, demonstrating the potential of iron as a primary building material for large structures, and its open framework made it both lightweight and durable. One of the most striking features of the tower was the inclusion of elevators, a technological marvel at the time, which allowed visitors to access the upper levels without climbing the 1,665 steps. These elevators, produced by the Otis Elevator Company, were considered cutting-edge and highlighted the tower's commitment to technological progress. In addition to its role as a tourist attraction, the Eiffel Tower has served numerous practical purposes over the years, including acting as a radio transmission tower, a weather observation station, and a military communication hub during World War I. During the Nazi occupation of Paris in World War II, the elevators were disabled to prevent German officers from using them, forcing them to climb the stairs if they wished to ascend. Over the decades, the tower has undergone several renovations, including structural reinforcements and repainting approximately every 7 years to prevent rust and maintain its elegant appearance. Its color has changed several times, originally a reddish-brown hue, then a yellowish shade, before settling on its current bronze-like Eiffel Tower brown. Today, it features 20,000 light bulbs that illuminate it every evening, turning it into a dazzling spectacle visible across the city. The Eiffel Tower also continues to function as a broadcasting tower, transmitting radio and television signals. It attracts nearly 7 million visitors annually, making it one of the most visited monuments in the world. With its rich history, architectural brilliance, and technological legacy, the Eiffel Tower remains not only a symbol of France but also a timeless representation of human ambition, creativity, and perseverance.